Hi guys and welcome to the channel. Today in this video I am going to show you 5 ways you can make money on YouTube. Keep watching this video until the end and I will let you know how much money you can expect to make from YouTube. The 5 ways I am going to show you will enable you to start your own YouTube channel and start making money straight away. Before we get into that, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like on this video. Don't forget to turn on the notification button so you don't miss any future videos. By doing this you really help out YouTube creators like myself, and before long you will also be asking people to do the same for your channel. Okay, straight into it. Let's get this one out of the way first. The biggest hurdle to joining the YouTube Partner Program is surpassing the 1,000 subscriber threshold. Once you do, it opens the door to earning advertising revenue. A few additional requirements apply before you can become a partner. 1. Your videos must abide by the site's advertising guidelines and have more than 4,000 valid public watch hours within the last 12 months. 2. You must live in an eligible area. And 3. You need to link a Google AdSense account. Once you meet the requirements, you can apply by clicking into your profile and navigating to the monetization section. As a partner, you can earn money through ads, membership perks, and features like Super Chat, which lets viewers pay to have their messages highlighted during a live stream. Affiliate marketing might be the most practical way to monetize your YouTube traffic, especially if you plan to make product review videos. It works like this. 1. You find a company or seller with an affiliate program, such as Amazon Associates, and apply to join. 2. Once accepted, you'll use their process to create custom links to products you plan to feature in your videos. And 3. Demo, review or make reference to the products in your YouTube videos, and paste your custom affiliate marketing links in the description field when you upload. As an affiliate of a brand, you'll earn a commission when a viewer clicks your custom link and purchases the product. While Amazon Associates is a great way to make money on Amazon, endless other opportunities exist. Search on affiliate marketing sites such as ShareASale and ClickBank for possible corporate partners and products to feature. You can also search your favorite brand's websites for information on how to become an affiliate straight from the source. Don't forget to properly notify your viewers about your affiliation with the brand, and be sure to point them to the link in description when you shoot your video. To work with directly or use resources like the aforementioned affiliate marketing sites to find corporate partners that complement your style of content. With brand deals, you can receive lump sum payments, earn commission on a per sale basis, or get the product or service for free. Keep in mind, if you do have an endorsement or use product placement in a video, you must notify YouTube by ticking a box in the Advanced Settings tab of your Video Manager to indicate your video contains paid promotion. If you have merchandise or offer a service that's relevant to your audience, let them know about it and provide links in your videos. Selling a physical product might require you to buy materials or find a manufacturer, but you can also sell downloadables such as ebooks, art prints, or virtual classes. Have a secure payment system in place before you advertise your goods. The incentive to sell, while creating your own products, can be a lot harder than pitching those of other companies. You could stand to make more money this way, since you'll keep the bulk of your proceeds as the product owner. Crowdfunding is another monetization method you can use to keep your channel going. There are 2 primary types of crowdfunding: recurring and project-based. In the former, which is better suited for content creators, fans of the channel pay a small subscription fee for perks and/or an exclusive tier of access. More subscribers means more revenue. Incentives such as one-on-one video chats, private classes, or merchandise can entice viewers to sign up. Patreon is a popular crowdfunding platform and serves as an additional income stream for many video creators, musicians, and other artists with more than a modest following. If you have an idea for a project that requires financial support, a project-based crowdfunding campaign is the way to go. Get started with sites such as Indiegogo, Kickstarter, or GoFundMe. This question is a complicated one. The answer is akin to the landscape of the music industry. Like the breakout bands and artists that strike the right chord and amass an exponential fanbase, YouTube stars with millions of followers stand to make the most, easily reaching 7 figures. According to Forbes, creator Stephen John, of the hugely popular kids channel Blippi, earned $17 million in 2020, in large part from the 8.2 billion views and 27.4 million subscribers he's racked up on YouTube. That kind of success is more the exception than the rule, but don't let that discourage you. Sean Cannell, the co-author of YouTube Secrets and founder of the Think Media channel, advises new YouTubers to lean on affiliate marketing as the best way to earn right off the bat. In a video post from 2021, he says it's possible to pull in $500 a week with the right niche and strategy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what type of channel you will be starting.